Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about a new eyeshadow product I purchased from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So I got this Thirsty palette. This is the box it comes with. It has like little wet drops. It's like an orangey color. And here is the Thirsty palette. It's pretty big. It comes with 15 shades. You guys ready for it? Ta-da! Look at how gorgeous this palette is. Oh my goodness, I love it. It comes with a little, well not a little, it comes with a huge mirror, which I love. So it comes with 10 matte and 5 of these pressed shimmers, glitter, whatever you guys want to call it. So I'm going to be using this palette. I'm going to be showing you some swatches, reviewing the shades, how it feels on my eyes. Let's get to it. So here are all the shades. Here are all the mattes. Really pretty mattes. Next we're going to do the glitters. First one we have Divine. Silver one. OMG, look at this. Come on camera, focus. There we go. Look at that silver. Oh, so pretty. Wow. This is gorgeous. Filthy Rich. It's a different feel. Filthy Rich is a different feel than the other one. So that's Filthy Rich right there. See how they're totally different? Filthy Rich is more glittery, chunky glitter. Well, if you like rub it, it turns into silver. Crazy. Lick is that copper. No, not copper. Like a more yellow gold. That feels like a silver one. And then we have Snatch, which feels like the Filthy Rich one. More chunky glitter. Like a rose gold glitter. And then we have Plunge, which is a copper one. Also feels like chunky. But these glitters are so pretty. Look at how pretty these are. Divine, Filthy Rich, Lick, Snatched, and Plunge. So pretty, man. Let's do a look. That silver, man, it's so pretty. Let's prime the eyelids. I'm going to use concealer. Of course. Take out this plastic mirror because I'm going to use it.
We're gonna burn it down. Burn it down.
Okay, eyelids are primed. Now let's start doing an eye look. For a transition color, I'm going to be using Parched. Parched, which is this one right here. Just put that all over the lids. I think I have lash glue from here. And then let's go with the shade Quench. Let's do that first. See how that turns out.
We're gonna burn it down. Burn it down. I killed it, it's murder.
I never used yellow. Jello. I never used yellow before.
I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder.
I'm gonna do a blue. Splash. Kind of like Flash. Splash.
I killed it, it's murder.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. 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 Show them.
Ooh, I love that green turquoise one. So pretty. Look at that. So far they're blending nice. Is this gonna be a beauty box or toss, guys? So far that's what I got. Pigeon.
Change the station with a new shit. Show them.
This reminds me of rainbow sherbet ice cream.
Change the station with a new shit. Change the station.
Ready for that pop of silver?
Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit. Change the station.
I hate it when I can't do with the finger because my freaking long old nails. So let's try with this brush. I'm not wetting the brush or anything. Nope, it's not applying with that brush. Let's try a different brush.
Change the station. Change the station with a new shit.
Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Was no setting spray, no setting the lid with concealer, priming the lid with concealer, or anything. Now I'm gonna blend the pinky, that rose color with the glitter.
It's murder.
Okay, let's do some wing liner. Can be a Jeffree Star palette look without wing. See how I do. I've been loving this Pixie by Wiley felt tip liner. It's really pigmented. And then for this one, I need a big old mirror. Get close. Up close and personal.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
So there's one wing. I always clean out afterwards. So my wings are done. Well, I'm done pretty close enough. Not perfect eyeliner. So let's curl these lashes. Let's put some lashes on. Okay, I'm gonna do my face. For bronzer, I'll be using NARS Casino. Right there. And let's use the Luxe Tapered Highlighter. Use this contour. For highlight, I'll be using Jeffree Star 24 Karat highlighter palette. These shades right here.
I killed it, it's murder.
Okay, next I'm gonna be using for blush the Morphe 8W, and I'm gonna be using this. Pop them some lashes. I just put some natural ones so I won't outdo the eyeshadow. I put on these. I'm gonna brighten my eye waterline. And for that, I use the Pixie Eye Bright Liner. That's what I use to brighten my waterline. And I'm gonna go with a nude. I'm gonna take Dose of Colors Dexy. I'm gonna be using this. This is in the shade No Shade. some setting spray. So this is my completed look using the Thirsty palette, and I try to use different colors to a different kind of look, so hopefully you guys like it, something different. So far I love the way these shadows blended. Some mattes are more pigmented than others, but I understand like some colors are different, but I mean they blended nicely. They did not go on patchy or anything, so I mean I like them. The shimmers though, these shimmers right here are so good. I mean, so good. I love them. Some are more chunkier than others, but I mean I love all of them. Are so pretty, so pigmented. I cannot wait to do more looks with those. But I mean, this beauty box or toss for me, it's going in my beauty box. Always love his products. He never disappoints me. Always supporting Jeffree. I love him. So funny. And all of his products are so good. I love highlighters, lipsticks. They're so good. One of my favorite Jeffree Star Cosmetics is one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more looks, so follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram link down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Show them.